Hi, it's Dora.
And Jamie.
Here we are from Play in the Park and Albany Public Library, and we're here to give you another great Better Beginnings STEM Storytime activity.
STEM? What's that, Dora?
STEM, well, it's part of science, technology, engineering and maths, all cool, fun things.
Cool. Wow. All right, what are we going to do first?
Let's start with a song. This one's about going up, high and down low. Ready? We're going up as high as we can go. We're going down, we're going down, we're going way down low. Up, 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 up. Down, 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 down. Oh, well done. Oh, yeah, shake your hands out. Good job. Okay, another song. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Cool. This one is about positional language.
Oh.
On, in, under, beside. Jamie.
Yeah.
There's a little duck here behind the shoe.
Should we see if the duck can find a bit of positional language?
Yeah, let's do that. Let's see what the duck can do with being on.
On.
Oh, well done, duck. You're on the shoe. Can you go in the shoe? Now he's in. Ooh, what about under the shoe? Watch your feathers. He's under the shoe. Good job, duck. Can you go beside the shoe?
Yep.
Oh, well done. Now he's beside the shoe. Okay, let's sing the song. Ready?
Here we go.
On, in, under, beside. On, in, under, beside. On, in, under, beside. Oh, where is duck? Where's duck? Can you see him? Where's duck? Yeah, he's in the shoe. Good job, duck.
Yay. Should we play again?
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Here we go. Ready? On, in, under, beside. On, in, under, beside. On, in, under, beside. Oh, where is duck? He's under. Oh, hopefully you weren't watching my hands. They got a bit muddled, but I think Ducky had it right. Would you like to do it with your hands this time too?
Oh, yeah.
Let's see if I can get it right. Okay, this is on. Put your hand on. In there. Under. Yeah, that one's under. Beside. Well done.
Easy.
Here we go. On, in, under, beside. On, in, under, beside. On, in, under, beside. Where is duck? Where's duck? Oh, he's on the shoe.
Quack, 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 quack.
Jamie, I've just had a
Quack,
great
quack, quack,
idea.
Yeah.
We could do that song with a spider.
Okay.
Should we get a little spider? Get your incy wincy spiders. Okay. Okay, hide it now. Right till the very end. Ready? On, in, under, beside. On, in, under, beside. On, in, under, beside. Where is spider? Where's your spider?
Oh, spiders.
Ours are on. Where's your spider? Should we do it again?
Yeah, let's do it again.
Okay, here we go. On, in, under, beside. On, in, under, beside. On, in, under, beside. Oh, where is spider? Oh, now they're under. Oh, they've got wriggly legs, haven't they?
I know.
Wriggle,
Like
wriggle, wriggle,
spaghetti.
wriggle. Good job, spiders. Run your spiders away. Hide them behind your back.
Whew.
Great.
Hey, should we try something with Bear?
Yeah, let's play a game.
Oh, cool. All right. How about if you call out a position
Yep.
and Bear will try and copy?
Okay. Oh, I see you've got a forest there, Jamie. Let's see. Can Bear go on the tree? Can he go on?
Can you, Bear? I think he can. Climb
Can
the
he
tree.
climb? Oh, he's climbing up.
Such a good climber.
Whoa! Yep, Bear is on the tree.
Yay!
Good job, Bear. Okay, this time, Bear, can you dig under the tree?
Ooh, under.
Dig, 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 dig. Whoa! He's dug under the tree. Good job, Bear. Woo-hoo-hoo. Can you go beside the tree?
Oh, easy peasy. Look at that.
There
Beside
is.
the
Good
tree.
job, Bear, beside the tree. Okay, this time,
Give us a tricky one.
can you go behind the tree? Behind the tree. Good hiding.
Boo.
Well done. And what about in front of the tree? Ah, well done, Bear. That's great.
Yay.
Good job. Great game.
Oh, thanks. Hey, could we try it with the log? Bear, can I play some more?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's a log. Maybe, should we see if Bear can go under the log? See if you can go under. Oh, well done, Bear. That's great.
Under the log.
And can you go on the log?
Oh.
Right up and over on the log.
Oh,
and
Bear is on the log.
and over the other side. Woohoo! Good jumping. Well done. Hey, Jamie,
Yeah.
do you know if you get 2 trees, Bear could go in between?
Oh.
Do you think you could make 2 trees out of that one?
Oh, I don't know.
Oh, on a big windy day, a branch falls off and sometimes there's 2 trees. And is Bear in between the trees? Yes, good, Bear.
Boo. Boo. In between the trees.
Well done, Bear. And that's the end of our fun activity game.
Oh, that was fun.
Should we do a goodbye song?
Yes. Let's.
Okay. Now it's time to say goodbye, say goodbye, say goodbye. Now it's time to say goodbye. We'll see you all next time. Bye.
Bye, Bear. Bye, kids.